Your washing machine works hard for you day by day. But residues, dirt and limescale inside can affect its function and performance. The Dr. Beckman Washing Machine Care Cleaner with activated carbon provides the protection and care it needs. This includes cleaning of the detergent drawer as well as the rubber seal to keep it smooth and flexible. Pour the rest of the liquid into the main compartment of the drawer and start the main wash cycle at minimum 60 degrees. The inside of the machine is cleaned effectively of deposits. Special corrosion inhibitors protect metal parts. Thus, the lifespan of your machine is prolonged, thanks to Dr. Beckman Washing Machine Care Cleaner with activated carbon.